Welcome to our channel. HP printer connected but not printing solved. Step 1. Restart your printer and computer. Turn off your HP printer and computer. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This simple step can fix many printing issues. Step 2. Check printer connection. Make sure the USB cable is securely connected or that your printer is properly connected to the Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Set HP printer as default. Go to Settings of Printer Scanners and make sure your HP printer is selected as the default printer. Step 4. Check for paper jams. Open the printer and look for any stuck paper. Remove it carefully and close all printer covers properly. Step 5. Verify ink or toner levels. Low or empty ink cartridges can prevent printing. Check the ink levels and replace cartridges if needed. Step 6. Clear the print queue. Open the print queue and delete any stuck print jobs. Then try printing your document again. Step 7. Run HP Print and Scan Doctor. Use HP's troubleshooting tool to automatically detect and fix common printer problems. Step 8. Update or reinstall printer drivers. Outdated drivers can cause printing issues. Download and install the latest HP printer drivers for your model. Step 9. Check printer status. Make sure the printer is not set to offline or paused. Change the status to online if necessary. Step 10. Print a test page. Print a test page from your printer settings. If the test page prints successfully, your printer should be working normally again. Thanks for watching.